Okay, today we're going to look at the hip and leg, thigh, and lower leg muscles. The anterior hip muscles, the psoas major, and the iliacus. So there's two muscles in the anterior hip area. Posteriorly to the hip, gluteus maximus, and then underneath the gluteus maximus are a series of muscles, fan-shaped series of muscles. Use the mnemonic for this: GPS OIQ, GPS or I quit. The first, the G muscle, is gluteus medius. The P muscle is piriformis. S muscle, superior gemellus. O, obturator internus. I, inferior gemellus. And Q, quadratus femoris. So if you remember that mnemonic, GPS or I quit, you have the first letters and remember the rest of the names. Those are the posterior hip muscles. Okay, going down to the thigh, the quadricep muscles anteriorly, the anterior compartment, the four muscles of the quadriceps are the rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and behind the rectus femoris, here, is the vastus intermedius. So medialis, intermedius, vastus lateralis. Those are the four muscles that make up the quadriceps. One other muscle anteriorly is the sartorius muscle. There are three muscles medially in the thigh: the gracilis, which bisects the adductor longus and the adductor magnus muscle. So those are the three medial compartment muscles. Posteriorly in the thigh, three muscles also: biceps femoris, semitendinous, and semitendinous lays right over the top of semimembranous. So semitendinous, semimembranous. Those are the three hamstring muscles. There's one muscle laterally in the thigh. The tensor fasciae lata is a small muscle with a large fascial white band coming down. Okay, it takes us down to the lower leg in the area of the calf. Anteriorly, the tibialis anterior, just lateral to the shin bone, or the tibia. Okay, tibialis anterior. Then the extensor digitorum, and then the peroneus longus and peroneus brevis, also called fibularis longus and fibularis brevis. Okay, the final muscle compartment in the leg, the posterior compartment. Everybody knows the calf muscle, the gastrocnemius. Just deep to the gastrocnemius, running in the same plane as the gastrocnemius, is the soleus muscle. Okay. Then deep to that muscle, there are two flexors of the digits, the flexor digitorum longus and the flexor of the big toe, the flexor hallucis longus. And that's it for the leg.